Overflows.
Insights through male-female interaction continues. Insights into male-female interaction and chakras is very important for continuing the life of bliss. Remember, both man and woman are two aspects of one existential being. Both man and woman are two energies, two electrical energies. Woman is negative pole and man is positive pole. The moment positive and negative poles are connected to one another, an energy field is created. The interaction between man and woman transforms electrical energy into light energy. As a result, through sexual interaction, a light field is created around the couple. A light beam or beam of light is created during deep sexual interaction. It refers to a directional projection of light energy emanating from the interaction as a light source. Essentially, through sexual interaction, a concentrated stream of light like a sunbeam or energy field is created. It is a different matter whether this beam or light is visible or not visible. This beam may or may not be visible through naked eye. However, this sexual interaction between man and woman, an orgasmic state, thus experienced, is momentary. As a result, the energy field cannot be created permanently. The beam cannot remain for long. It disappears no sooner than it appears. As a result, the time period of sexual interaction need to be extended through meditation, breath movement, and deep relaxation. The process of this interaction can be extended and a permanent energy field is created around the couple. This is a rare happening. During such deep sexual interaction, not only an energy field is created, instead the couple enters the astral or etheric bodies. In various esoteric and mystical teachings, the body created around the physical body is often referred to as astral body or etheric body. Both bodies are subtle. These terms describe a subtle energetic body believed to exist in close proximity to the physical body through both astral, though both astral and etheric are used interchangeably, yet there is a difference. Astral body is often associated with emotions, desires, and the lower self, while the etheric body is connected to life force, elan vital, vitality, and connection to the physical body. This difference is quite subtle. It is thought to be a bridge between the physical body and deep spiritual world. The astral body is believed to be the seat of personal identity and consciousness, playing a significant role in thoughts, emotions, and desires. This is about the astral body. The etheric body is the life force body, the subtle energy that connects the physical body to the spirit. It is often seen as a bridge between physical and astral bodies. Holding the life force, that keeps the physical body alive. The etheric body is believed to be responsible for various processes such as breathing, healing, growth, reproduction, and transformation. This understanding is very important for understanding the significance of male female interaction beyond the condemnation by the so called ignorant ones. In essence, the astral body is more associated with the emotional and mental aspect of the personality, while the etheric body focuses on life force and the physical body's vitality. While the concept of the body, these bodies around the physical body, is rooted in the esoteric and occult traditions, it is important to note that there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of such bodies as yet. However, these concepts have influenced various spiritual and artistic practices. Man's first chakra and his power must be recognized, acknowledged, allowed to expand, and be received with love and joy. Man's first chakra, that is the energy source, because he is the seed of the energy. While the woman's feeling space, the heart, must be received, allowed to expand, and be a welcome to participate before her receptive chakras can open. If you allow the woman to be free with deep understanding and respect, then her receptive chakra opens, and it is a tremendous blessing when this opens. This means that a great deal of sexual activity on this planet is actually a kind of rape. As so often, woman's underlying emotional state and true state of her heart are always ignored. Thus, her yoni is not truly open and cannot truly consent or receive. It is important for me to explain this word yoni, which is a concept. It is sometimes called as pindika, is an abstract or iconic representation of the Hindu Sanatan goddess Shakti, the energy. It is usually shown along with Ling, the masculine counterpart. Together they symbolize the merging of microcosm and macrocosm, the divine external process of creation and regeneration, and the union of masculine and feminine that creates all of existence. Everything that comes into existence is an interaction of masculine and feminine energies. The yoni is conceptualized as nature's gateway of all birth, particularly in the esoteric tantra practices and other practices, as well as in Shaktism that worships the energy, and Shaivism, which is an aspect of Shiva. Shaivism, traditions of Sanatan Sanskriti. Yoni in Sanskrit is a Sanskrit word that has been represented to literally mean the womb, the source, the female organ of generation. It also connotes the female sexual organ such as vagina, vulva, or uterus, or alternatively to origin, abode, or source of anything in other contexts. For example, The Vedant text, that is Brahma Sutra, metaphorically refers to the metaphysical concept Brahma as the yoni, the great womb of the universe, that is the Brahman. Yoni appears in one of the Vedas, Rig Veda, and other Vedic literatures in the sense of feminine life creating, regeneration, and reproductive organ, as well as in the sense of source, origin, fountain, place of birth, womb, nest, abode, the pit of incubation. Others concept, other contextual meanings of the term include race, caste, family, fertility symbol, grain of the seed. It is a spiritual metaphor and iconic in Sanatan Sanskriti for origin and the feminine regeneration power in the nature of existence. Brahma Sutra metaphorically calls the metaphysical concept of Brahman as yoni of the universe. Now, in order to understand this and go deeper into, cathartic meditation helps so much in this process of deepening the male-female interactive interaction. And different types of couple meditations help bring awareness, clarity, and a understanding of the mystery that lights all things up. Tantric techniques do tend to bring to the surface areas that need attention in ourselves, and we can then explore in our own meditation or with the other. But particularly for an experienced meditator, if you simply do meditation so much with but particularly for an experienced meditator, if you simply do meditation, so much will straighten itself out, become clear and settle and even transcend. One of the beauties of this technique is that it brings in essential, unpressured time and relaxation for both partners, receptive chakras, so that they can just be, and positive, active chakra will cool down and spread out, thus reducing pressure for everybody. This withdrawal of stress alone can be amazingly helpful. It also brings an opportunity for deep intimacy in parts of each person that are usually neglected, and a valuable sense of connection beyond sexual and other functioning also happens. It is great for young and old, that everyone in between. It is best to do with a partner you trust and ready to go deep within. Enough for now.